Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all fine. So in today's video I'm going to share with you two recipes. So first one is khima and karela. I've taken half a kg of karelas, they're washed, and then a few spices that I'm going to add in. For the whole recipe, don't forget to go in the description box below. So we're just going to add those all spices in the karelas. Then now we're going to add the fried onions, like slightly fried ones, about like 1.5 onion. So here, the pan that I fried the onions in, I'm going to add some oil. Then adding the ginger and garlic paste in that. Then let it cook for like about 30 seconds, probably, or 20. Then mix it well. And at that point, we're going to add the minced beef in that. Mix it very well. Then here are the few spices, for example, Kashmiri chili powder, red chili powder, each have 1 teaspoon or half as per your taste, and some turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and white pepper powder. So we're just going to add all the spices in the beef and then give it a nice mix. So now we're going to add the remaining onion. I kept some for the end bit for the khima. So we're just going to add that and give it a nice mix. Now we're going to add some water to let the beef get cooked. About like half cup or 1 cup of water. Now's the time for putting the lid on. And put it about for 30 minutes or 20 until. So this is the final look. Looks delicious. So now we're going to start off with our steak recipe. So here I've taken about like 2 kgs of steak. Or 1, I'm not really sure. So now I'm going to show you for the spices. Ginger garlic powder, half teaspoon, salt per your taste, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder. So each half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Now all of those spices, we're going to add it in. No. We're going to add some oil in those spices and mix it very well to make it into a paste. So it's easier us to like apply it on the on the steak. So we're just going to apply it on each side very well. You can refrigerate it after for 20 minutes or half an hour to let the spices absorb in steak and the juices will be all combined very well. So here you can refrigerate it for half an hour or 1 hour. After that you can fry, bake, or steam, whatever you like. So everyone, this is our final look. I hope you all liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And tell me how my video is and all the cooking. Thank you so much.